Come test drive the 2019 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo with class, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, heated front seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.